Brought to you by BrainyBuyer.com. We do the homework so you can buy with confidence. Love our mission? Hit subscribe and help us make the next review even better. Hey, I'm looking at getting a new espresso machine, and I'm torn between the Philips 5400 LatteGo and the De'Longhi Magnifica Evo. What do you think?
Oh, interesting. Both are super automatic, so that's a plus. What are you primarily looking for in a machine?
Well, ease of use is a big one. I want something that's easy to clean, and that makes a good variety of drinks with minimal fuss.
Okay, the Philips 5400 boasts about its LatteGo system being super easy to clean. Just 2 parts. Dishwasher safe, no tubes. The De'Longhi has dishwasher safe parts too, and an auto clean function, but, and this is important, reviews mention the Philips is easier to clean.
Good to know. What about the coffee itself? Is there a noticeable difference in quality?
Both have built-in grinders, but the De'Longhi has 13 grind settings compared to Philips' 12. More settings potentially mean more control over the flavor, but the Philips highlights its ceramic grinders are good for 20,000 cups.
Wow, that's a lot of coffee. And what about milk frothing? I love a good latte.
Right, so the Philips uses its LatteGo system, which they say creates a silky smooth froth. The De'Longhi uses their Latte Crema system, which textures both milk and milk alternatives and can be stored in the fridge. Some De'Longhi reviewers complain about the milk froth quality, though.
That's a concern. The Philips is also a bit cheaper at $799, while the De'Longhi is $549.95.
That's a big difference. One thing to keep in mind is that the Philips is listed as renewed, so it's pre-owned. The De'Longhi is new. The De'Longhi also has 7 one-touch recipes, including iced coffee.
I do like iced coffee. Okay, this is helpful. It sounds like the Philips is easier to clean and potentially more durable, but the De'Longhi offers more drink options and is cheaper.
Precisely. And don't forget, the De'Longhi has a lower rating and some reviewers are not happy with the milk froth or water temperatures. The Philips has a slightly better rating.
Okay, I think I'm leaning towards the Philips then. Ease of use and cleaning are really important to me, and the slightly better rating is a plus. Thanks for the help. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.